Okay, students, in our last lecture, we have seen about the presentation of data and use of data, where the data or information is useful. Two questions, it should be asked in 3 marks. Both questions are asked in 3 marks. Okay, as a short note. Now we are moving further and taking next topic today, presenting quantitative numericals information in graphs and diagrams. There is a information or data or numerical data, especially statistical data. Okay, how you represent in front of big mass. Okay, especially illiterate or less educated people. Okay, so there are three types of bar or diagrams or graphs: bar diagram, cluster or group diagram, and third one is pie diagram. Okay, first one, type 1, bar diagram, which you have studied since from the 6th or 7th standard. आप 6th या 7th standard से पढ़ते आ रहे हो. Bar diagram, simple method. Okay, each bars are in a rectangular form and equal proportion. Okay, we have taken one example for bar diagram: production of rice or any crops or grains in a particular year. There are 3 years: 1970 to 71, 1980 81, 1990 91. Okay, production of rice in a tons, lakh tons: 23.8 lakh tons, 36.3 lakh tons, and 55.1 lakh tons. Okay, first of all, take a graph and draw x-axis and y-axis. X-axis is a base and y-axis is a dependable and variable. Okay, on x-axis we put years: 1970 71, 1980 81, 1990 91. Okay, on the y-axis we put a production: 10 lakhs, 20 lakhs, 30 lakhs, 40 lakhs, 50 lakhs, 60 lakhs. Maximum is 55.1. Okay, so we have taken 60 more, maximum 60 lakh tons, in a lakh tons. Okay, first year 1970 71, it is a 23.8 lakh tons, 23.8. So 23 comes between 20 and 30, 20 और 30 के बीच में आएगा. तो 20 और 30 के बीच तक डायग्राम ग्राफ ड्रॉ करना है, पिलर ड्रॉ करना है, रेक्टेंगुलर पिलर, और उसके ऊपर लिखना है 23.8. सेकेंड वन 1980 81, 36.3. तो 36.3 comes in a 30, between 30 and 40. Okay, so between 30 and 40 you have to draw a pillar of 36.3 lakhs ton, just like this. And last one is 1990 91, 55.1. So 55.1 comes in between 50 to 60. Okay, so 55.1, between 50 to 60 you have to draw a pillar or a bar. Okay, this is the simple method of bar diagram and to represent the information or data. Second one, group or cluster diagram, when the data is about one or more than one groups divided in different forms, different format. For example, we have taken one example here. The data is divided between male, female, and total. Okay, this is the data about the education of particular state. We have taken Gujarat state. Years, only 2 years we have taken: 1951, 1961. Male, education rate of male, education rate in a female, and education rate in total. Okay, same thing, we draw x-axis and y-axis. X-axis is a base and y-axis is a variable, dependable. Okay, on the x-axis we have put years: 1951, 1961. Okay, male 30.70, so 30.70 comes between 30 and 40. Then 12.79 female, so 12.79 more than, just more than 10. And last one total 21.09. so you have to cluster, join all three bars, आपको join करने. Okay, same thing in second year 1961. Male has 48.3%, female has 12.77, and total is 36.19. To show the difference between male, female and total, you have to put different sign in it, in a bar. Just like in total, we have drawn cross lines. In a male bar, we have drawn vertical and horizontal lines. Okay, and in a female bar, between male and total, in a female bar, we have put a blank. हमने blank छोड़ दिया. Okay, so this is called a cluster diagram or cluster graph or group. In a both diagram or in a each and every diagram or a graph, particularly in graph, you have to mention what you have put on x-axis and what you have put on y-axis. Particularly scale. On a y-axis, we have taken 1 centimeter is equal to 10%. Cluster diagram, in a cluster diagram. And on a y-axis, we have put 0.5 centimeter, half, 10 tons. Okay, at a half centimeter, we have taken 10 tons, 10 lakh tons. Okay, as a scale. So this is the information and data which have put in a bar diagram and cluster group diagram. Third one is pie diagram. Okay, so we will discuss about the third type of pie diagram and the next question about importance of economics. पाई डायग्राम डिस्कस करना है और उसके बाद नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन लेंगे इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ इकोनॉमिक्स. Okay, again I repeat you, I tell you again, just see the video, listen it carefully and try to understand and write down in your notebook point wise. This will be a part 6 of unit 1. Okay, ये part 6 होगा unit 1 का, and part 7 will be pie diagram and importance of economics that we will discuss in our next lecture. Okay, thank you.